Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with, it's not indicated with stars. Well, we will see what kind of tectonic this will be, but I've already solved 3 puzzles: the binary 10 by 10, the killer. No, this is a 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Yes, it's time for the tectonic. With well, this one has what I know is this will be number 5831. 5831. Let me put this here. 5831. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits, so it should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, so let me give this maybe 1 star. I do not know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have, oh, here another one. Yeah, single boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan. Dual boxes. No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box contains the 1 and a 2 and a 3. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. More triple boxes. No. Quarter boxes. I see here 1 quarter box. There, quarter box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so 1 box, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Quarter boxes, alright. Then, following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Well, I have here not a lot of space. Let me start with the first shape, figure, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Here we have the S or the Z construction. Let me draw this here. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. All right. When you see this Z or S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, but also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. All right. Okay, the S or Z construction. Then, following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here then. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 then. Oh, and I've eliminated the 1 then, so the 1 goes there. Okay, so 1 digit left in the quarter box for number 4. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. All right. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? When you see the L shape, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright, more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here then. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 then. Okay. More? No. Oh, I overlooked this one. It's the same as this one, but it's rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. I should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If we place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So, not a solution here for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Wow. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 1. Alright, so these 2 boxes can be a 4 now, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, right? This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Alright. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this Z or S constructions for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1 in this T-shaped area. 3 and a 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround a 4 in this W area shape. Can it be a 4? Yeah, we have a 4 here. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then, yeah, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2, oh, we already have a 1 here. So this is a mistake, an error. Yeah, an error. Okay. Well. Well. Let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Wow. These, well, Well, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, okay. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there then. Yeah. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. 1, 5, 4. Okay, 2 and a 3. Okay, cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1, 2, yeah. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. I think this box should be a... Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers for numbers 3 and the 5. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. 40 minutes, that means I'm faster than 50 minutes. It's a 1-star Tectonic. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later. No, later. No, tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.